Morning! Nandito po kami. Ito daw sa isang isla. Nagtatanong kami kung ano yung menu. Akala namin may menu dito. Listahan daw po pala ng akala namin menu. Silip ng asawa ko ano yung mga menu. Kailangan po pag nandito kayo, maghanap kayo ng mga refilling station ng mineral. Yan, at least piso lang po ang per hulog. Piso lang. Kasi pag bumili kayo ng mineral, yung mga bottle, may 20 pesos, may 40. So mas matipid kapag piso-piso lang. O kaya bumili na kayo ng malaking mineral water, yung tag 7 liters yung galon. Ano kung may kasama kayong bata, pang tinta ng gatas, saka inumin ng tubig. Ang lalaking aso din no? Puro ba sila lalaki? Ito si
Lalaki!
Si Brownie. Joke lang. Brownie. Si Dark Brownie.
Asan yung alcohol natin? Oh, Ethan, mag-alcohol please.
Breakfast muna.
Wala upuan. Iupo ko. Eldrick, hindi ka pa umiinuubos yung ano na yan. Hindi pa inuubos yung damit ay.
Ayan, daming tao mga idol. Talagang pinupunta ng whale shark dito sa Pilipinas. Cebu.
Wala yung senior niya.
Wearing of life vest is mandatory from here and interaction. But upon reaching you are good regarding the rules and regulations that you need to follow during your whale shark interaction. First and the most important is no touching of the whale shark, no flash photography, observe a 4-meter distance away from the whale shark, and a plan of sunblock, sunscreen, or any kinds of skin protection is not allowed because these products contains chemicals that can harm the whale shark. But if you applied it already, kindly rinse it off down there to shower area before going. Wearing of life vest is mandatory from the shoreline up to the interaction area. But upon reaching there, if you're a good swimmer, you can take off your life vest and leave it on the boat. And in swimming, please remove your jewelries or any fashion accessories with you because it may fall accidentally and we're not liable for that. And in taking pictures, underwater mobile phones are not recommendable to use. And please don't leave your things unattended. So always remember you are not allowed to touch the whale shark. Thank you so much for listening. You're gonna proceed downstairs at the waiting area. Thank you. And lastly, you're not allowed to apply sunblock, sunscreen, or any kind of skin protection. But if you apply it somewhere, you can rinse it out down there at the shower area before going. Please obey the rules to avoid penalty. We have some silver lens mandatory when
Ang daming mga bangka na nagbo-board ng mga sakay papunta sa Busanding. Tapos yung banda doon, may mga nagpapakain na ng Busanding doon.
Pwede mo pala isakay si Eldrick.
Hey, may paisaw. Mau. Ako na. Habibi, come on. Paano tayo? No.
anak. Watch yung anak mo.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. One, two, three, go. Ready ha? Punta kayo doon. Punta kayo doon. Sige. Lapitan niya konti.
Kita mo kasi.
Hello, Delegad. Masakit? Katay ka? Hindi.
Okay lang.
Ay, sorry. Sinit. Ayaw ka?
Tunggu.